Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best oil change kit is probably one of the most essential tools a car owner can have in their arsenal, especially when looking to save money and maintain their vehicle's optimal performance. This comprehensive kit is designed to simplify the often messy and time-consuming process of changing your car's oil, providing all the necessary components and instructions to get the job done efficiently and effectively right in your own driveway, ensuring your engine stays lubricated and runs smoothly for miles to come. Number 5. LUMAX LX 163215 Quart Drainmaster Pan. Introducing the LUMAX LX 1632 Drainmaster Pan, designed for seamless oil changes. Its 15-quart capacity handles large volumes, making maintenance a breeze. Say goodbye to messy tubs and funnels. This innovative pan allows you to drain directly, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with no oil spills on top or sides. Cleaning up is simple and quick, saving you valuable time. Perfectly suited for oil recycling needs. This tool ensures efficient collection and storage, promoting responsible disposal. Crafted in the United States, this auto accessory is built for durability and long-lasting performance. Trust in its quality for all your automotive tasks. What we like. This oil drain pan is designed for ultimate convenience and cleanliness. It allows you to drain oil directly without any mess or extra cleanup. If you're looking for a no-fuss solution for oil changes and want to easily recycle your used oil, this is the pan for you. What people say. This oil pan was exactly the type I was looking for to change the oil on my car and SUV. This thing is easily portable, not too big to store, can be stood upright or laid down flat, has a wide enough opening to catch all the oil, has the plastic net to catch the drain plug, has two big handles for portability, two wheels on the bottom so it can be rolled, and a small cap on top to make pouring out the oil a cinch, not to mention the plastic is thick and durable material that feels very sturdy. Comes with a catch-all basket. Basically it's a filter gating that goes over the 8-inch opening. Eliminates the need of having to worry about your drain plug, oil filter and/or tools falling in the oil. I have had this oil catch for over 5 years now and I have to say, I really like it. I like that there's a grate that the oil passes through to catch a crush washer or drain plug if you should drop it, preventing such things from ending up in the bottom of your dirty oil. It also seems to help prevent some splashing. Number 4. BILITOOLS 3L Brake Bleeder Vacuum Pump Kit. Bleeding your brakes or clutch lines is now a one-person job. Simply connect it to your air compressor and let it do the work, no helper or constant pumping needed. This tool draws fluid directly from the bleeder screw, eliminating the mess and hassle of special caps. It prevents backflow and works seamlessly, even with ABS systems. With its oversized 3-liter tank, you can bleed or flush all 4 wheels without interruption. This means faster operation and cleaner results compared to smaller kits. Constructed with a corrosion-resistant PE tank and flexible silicone hoses, it ensures a leak-free seal. It's compatible with most brake fluids for long-lasting, safe performance. This kit includes a 1-liter refilling bottle to keep your master cylinder topped up and a long flexible hose for easy reach. Its universal adapter ensures a secure fit on most vehicles. What we like. This brake bleeder kit revolutionizes brake maintenance by enabling single-person operation. Its pneumatic vacuum system ensures a clean and efficient bleed, even for ABS systems. If you're a DIY mechanic who values efficiency and wants to perform brake bleeds quickly and cleanly without a helper, this tool is an excellent choice. What people say. The BILITOOLS 3-liter bucket against a tire to keep it upright and open the vacuum valve. I looked for bubbles in the bleeder line once the compressor was engaged and saw none. In fact, as far as I could tell there was nothing flowing in the bleeder line at all. Not even a tinge of the yellow brake fluid was visible in the clear bleed screw effluent line. Worked great on VW Tiguan and extra fittings mean I can do pretty much any car we buy. Was able to use it suck fluid from the reservoir before topping up. The top-up flask fit in the narrow access and ensure the reservoir was full whilst I bled each wheel. Zero mess and super easy to control suction. Decently compact and well made. Will last me years I'm sure. The BILITOOLS 3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit is a must-have for any DIY mechanic or garage setup. I used it for a full brake fluid flush on my truck, and it made the job fast, clean, and truly a one-person operation. The pneumatic system pulls fluid smoothly without introducing air, and the 3-liter capacity is more than enough for multiple vehicles. Number 3. Foxtrot Living Oil Change Kit. Introducing the comprehensive oil change kit from Foxtrot Living. It's designed to make your next oil change a breeze, providing all the essentials you need in one convenient package. This kit includes a spacious oil drip pan to catch any spills and a wide-mouth funnel for easy pouring. Keep your workspace clean with the included shop towels. Our oil catch pan is designed to keep messy oil contained. The funnel features a mesh filter, allowing for quick and clean fluid changes without any spillage. Crafted with durable, chemical-resistant materials, this kit is built for frequent use. It's suitable for various fluids, including gasoline, wiper fluid, DEF, and brake fluid. We've made it simple to get the job done. Ergonomically designed grip handles ensure easy transportation, and the quick-absorbing shop towels make cleanup a snap. This value kit provides everything you need for efficient oil changes. It includes an 8-quart oil pan, a long neck funnel with a removable filter, and a 5-pack of shop towels. What we like. This oil change kit provides everything you need for a straightforward oil change. It includes a spacious pan, a funnel with a filter, and shop towels for easy cleanup. If you're a beginner or someone who prefers an all-in-one solution for basic car maintenance, this kit offers great value and convenience. What people say. The 8-quart pan is solid. Feels sturdy, doesn't flex when it's full, and the built-in handles make it easy to carry without spilling everywhere. The spout is actually useful too. Pouring used oil into containers isn't a disaster like with those cheap flat pans. The long neck funnel is perfect for getting into tight spots, especially if your engine bay is cramped. The extension hose is a nice bonus and snaps on tight. No leaks, no wobbling. You get 5 of them, and they're not the cheap thin ones. They actually absorb oil well and don't fall apart in your hands. Good to have for wiping tools, hands, and any drips. Number 2. Motoparty Oil Change Kit for Can-Am Spyder. Keep your Can-Am Spyder's engine running smoothly with our premium oil change kit. Designed specifically for models with 1,300 cubic centimeters and 1,330 cubic centimeters ACE motors, it ensures optimal performance. Our paper filter effectively removes impurities like dust and metal particles from your oil. This protects your engine from damage and wear, extending its lifespan. The included seals and gaskets prevent air and liquid leaks, ensuring a clean and efficient oil change. They also help manage pressure and prevent loosening. Replacing your old oil compartment is straightforward. Simply swap out the old drain plug seal and filter cap seal and gasket for a hassle-free maintenance experience. This kit is compatible with all SE6, SM6 Spyder models featuring 1,330 cubic centimeters motors, as well as 2014 to 2022 Can-Am Spyders with 1,300 cubic centimeters ACE motors, including RT and F3 variants. Crafted from high-quality filter paper and NBR seals, this kit is built to withstand heavy use. It provides reliable protection against contaminants, preventing internal engine damage. What we like. This is a specialized oil filter kit designed for specific Can-Am Spyder models. It ensures proper engine protection by trapping contaminants and includes all necessary seals for a complete oil change. If you own a compatible Spyder and want to maintain its engine health with a precise, high-quality filter and seal kit, this is the product you need. What people say. The filter I got through Amazon was half the cost of the one from the dealer and they appear to be exactly the same, with the same stated micron filtering capability. All the gaskets you need with the filter come with this filter. This fit perfectly and was extremely affordable. It came with all the necessary O-rings too. Number 1. Bug Oil Change Gasket Kit 1200cc, 1600cc. Ensure a perfect seal with our comprehensive oil change gasket kit. This set provides everything you need for a clean and efficient oil change. Each kit contains all the necessary gaskets and sealing washers. These high-quality components are designed for a reliable and leak-free fit. Our kit matches reference part number 113,198,031. This ensures compatibility with the specified models. This kit is specifically designed for your Volkswagen Type 1, including the Beetle and Bug models from 1961 to 1979. Keep your classic running smoothly. Owners of the Karmann Ghia from 1961 to 1974 can also rely on this set. It's the perfect solution for their oil change needs. For your Volkswagen Type 2, also known as the Transporter or Bus, from 1961 to 1971, this kit is an ideal fit. Maintain your vehicle with confidence. This oil change gasket set is also compatible with the Volkswagen Type 3, including the squareback and fastback models from 1964 to 1973. Get yours today. What we like. This oil change gasket kit is specifically designed for classic Volkswagen models. It provides 2 complete sets of gaskets and sealing washers needed for an oil change on your Beetle, Bus, or Karmann Ghia. If you're a classic VW enthusiast looking for the correct, high-quality parts to perform an oil change on your vintage vehicle, this kit is essential. What people say. Correct fitment and no leaks. The previous owner relied a bit too heavily on gasket maker crap. Leaked like a sieve. Dry as can be with this. Well, it worked on my 1960 VW Beetle. The motor isn't from that date, but it worked. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.